Let's talk about reading guides. So, for most of the required readings, I have provided a resource for you to help you while you're reading. I know in this class and in grad school in general, you guys are bombarded with reading assignments. So, these reading guides are here to help you to navigate the readings and to understand what the purpose of the reading is and what the important points are that you need to get from this particular reading. So you will find the reading guides in the resources page. So, for instance, for week one, for chapter one, you will get the reading guide by clicking on this link right here. So, when we click on this link, it will take us to a page like this one. So this is similar to other documents for this class. You can download the reading guide or you can view it on your web browser. And this has an outline. It has an overview and a summary of the chapter, which is helpful. But the most important part of the reading guides are the guiding questions. So these are questions that you should be comfortable with answering by the end of reading the chapter. These are things that we might have extra activities that you do on in the participation activities. But you should get most of the information to answer these questions from that required reading.